Why do some players effortlessly control the rally, while others are stuck scrambling and under attack? A poor return of serve puts you on the defense. A good return of serve gets the rally off to the right start. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 3 mistakes that most players make with their return of serve and how you can fix them. Before we break down your 3 biggest mistakes on the return, let me show you how we're analyzing them. Meet SwingVision. This is an AI-powered video tool that shows you all the stats for your shot. Returns, depths, placement, everything that you need to know to improve your returns. And that's why I'm excited that SwingVision is sponsoring this video. Get a free swing stick. That's a $100 value with a year's subscription to SwingVision Pro. The details and the link are down in the description below. Mistake number 1, and you see this happen all the time. Players try to skim that net and they hit the ball right into the net. That's a costly mistake on your return because you have given your opponents a free point. SwingVision makes it easy. Not only will you see it shot by shot during the course of the rally, you'll be able to see serves, returns, and a variety of other shots. At a glance, you'll know how many are in or how many you're hitting out. You're going to fix that mistake by giving yourself more net clearance. Raise the point that the ball will cross the net to about 3 feet over the net. That takes the net out of play, and as a bonus, it will help you to get the ball deeper, making your opponent's 3rd shot even harder. Mistake number 2 is a return that doesn't land any closer than the mid-court, any closer to the serve team. When that is less than the mid-court, that means that my team, the return team, is immediately going to be on the defense. The serve team is going to come into the court and start attacking us right away. Look at this data from SwingVision. These returns are landing too short, which means the serve team is immediately offensive. But if we compare it to these deeper returns, you'll see the difference. The return team gets to move up and take control. So the fix is to hit your return 4 feet from the baseline with plenty of margin of error over the net. Mistake number 3 comes when players stand so close to the baseline that they get jammed up and they can't swing, and the paddle comes across their body, the ball goes left or right, it goes anywhere but inside of the court. SwingVision actually tracks where you hit the ball, and if your returns are inconsistent, it might not be your swing. The fix is to stand 3 feet behind the baseline so that you have plenty of room to move forward for the shot. That allows your arms to swing freely and gives you less of a chance of getting jammed up and making a mistake. I'd like to thank SwingVision for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you out on the pickleball courts.